Hi, I have a 2011 Troybilt Horse XP with 46 inches deck. Steering has become extremely hard. I replaced the steering shaft and hex nut, etc. I have excessive play in the steering before and after the new parts. I think the problem might be a worn bushing on the steering arm. Can you confirm? My model is 13WX79KT011.
http://www.partstreet.com/parts/troybilt/Moore's Lawn Garden Tractor /13WX79KT011 Troybilt Horse XP Lawn Tractor 2011/front end steering/. Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Raise the front wheels and check the bushings in the front spindles. You may see a front spindle binding in the axle. This will also let you see any slack in any of the bushing, from the steering shaft to the rear gear, to the front spindles. I suspect a binding front spindle.
There's lots of play where the steering link meets the nut flange. The rubber around the ball joint seems worn. This looks like the source of the excessive steering play.
New bushings will take care of the play, but if you have a binding spindle, the steering will still be hard. Look for binding, not loose bushing.
Can you point out the bushings by number on the parts diagram? I did a search for bushing on the parts diagram and found none.
Hash is the spindle bushings, 4 and hash is the steer shaft bearing, which you may have already changed.
Curtis, you were right on the money. The right spindle is binding big time. I loosened the nut and sprayed the heck out of it. What kind of lube should I use on it? The bushings look alright. I want to rate you 5 stars, but the rating section is graded out. I guess I have to wait until the conversation is over.
Use a penetrating oil or WD-40.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.